The governor of Mississippi should ignore the president's executive order on immigration.
16 WAPT Scott Simmons reports why the governor is at odds with the president.
Undocumented immigrants inside the state capitol pushing for more benefits in Mississippi. Now a federal judge in Texas has issued a temporary stay to the president's plan to give amnesty to illegals.
I think rightly so. Our federal judge in Texas said that the president could not do this.
Governor Phil Bryant joined 26 states in a lawsuit challenging the president's recent immigration policy.
But at some point, we're going to find out whether or not the President of the United States doesn't have to go to Congress, doesn't have to file Administrative Procedures Acts, and can make decisions about offering amnesty to illegal immigrants in America.
What do you think Mississippi should do about the illegal immigrants who are presently in the state?
I think we should enforce the law. I think we should join with the Immigration Enforcement Services and say we're going to enforce the law for people who are here illegally.
I think it's the wrong ruling. We don't agree with it.
The Mississippi Immigrant Rights Alliance wants the state to wait for the appeals process to be completed before going after undocumented residents.
We are concerned about the governor's attitude towards Latinos in particular, but all immigrants that are coming into Mississippi. And we certainly need to make the hospitality state welcoming.
The Department of Public Safety says if a state trooper comes across an illegal immigrant, that person is supposed to hold that suspect until federal agents can take custody. ICE says in light of the federal court ruling, it is enforcing the immigration laws of the country as they were before the president's order. Scott Simmons, 16 WAPT News.